G'day everyone, and welcome to another episode of Drew's Adventures. I'm here with Heather from Come Hither with Heather, and we're going to have a look at this old warehouse if we can. It is being demolished, it would appear, and we're not sure if it's part of the South Road upgrade or not, but it's in the western suburbs of Adelaide, and I don't know about you all, but I really love this old signwriting. Look at that. That is properly hand-painted signwriting. Wilcox Mifflin Limited. So let's have a look, see what we can explore here. If we can get in, we will. If we can't, then that's fine too. We'll have to look from the outside. Let's go. We've discovered we can't get inside this place, folks, but this used to be the Cadbury distribution centre for South Australia. May have been for other states as well, it's hard to say, but check it out, look at that. That is an old warehouse indeed. And when I walk over here, look at the camera very closely and you'll see it flashes and comes on. So this is the distributor centre. Check out the old bays there. A lot of old history here. I don't know how long this would have been open for, but I would imagine at least 50 years. And I think over here would have been the head office part for Cadbury distribution in SA. Evidence there of some boards and bits and pieces from inside of the building. You can see an old laptop, I think it is, pieces of it at least. That's a very old Cadbury sign. Very old car park shelter there. Let's go for a wander around the front of this. I don't think it's been open for a long time now, but how long it's actually been abandoned for is anyone's guess. If you ever worked at this site, let me know in the comments below. And if you're a fan of Cadbury's, tell me what's your favourite chocolate bar they make, or other confectionery. I think this part here would have been one of the loading docks or loading bays, drop-off points. You can see there's a little, what they call a access door at the bottom of the loading door, but I don't reckon it's been open for a long time. Don't think. You can see the rust up the top. Very old school. And there's the old Cadbury sign. Once again, hand painted. This is pretty cool. There's something new being built right next door to it. You can see actually half of the warehouse has already been demolished, I think. There's this big building scar on the South Road side. Don't know what that section there was, but maybe once upon a time was a loading dock. But I do love the old warehouse design, that sort of concertina design. It's pretty cool. Over the road you got the Hindmarsh cemetery. But imagine the stories that this warehouse could have told, and all of the Cadbury products that would have once lined its walls. Looks like there was a little seat here. I'm not sure if that was where the taste testers sat for Cadbury. Not too sure. And then this would have been the office for all the office staff that would have been organising the transport in and out of the warehouse. All the products. You got marble chocolate, you got Dream, you got dairy milk, Old Gold, a whole heap of stuff that Cadbury produces in Australia. Freddo Frogs. Who can forget Freddo Frogs? But alas, this building, folks, the whole complex here is almost certainly coming down. Look at the old sign in there. Hours of business, office 8 a.m. to 5 p.m, warehouse 8 till 12, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. And looks like there might have been someone squatting here at some point, I'm not too sure. Would appear that way. And then you've got this Wilcox Mifflin place that backs on to the rear here of the Cadbury factory, which is also going to be pulled down. It's got, if anyone can tell me what that is or what that was, definitely a very old school warehouse door, that one, garage door. Would have had to slide that open, and would have been huge entrance. We'll just wander down to the last section that's fenced off. Yeah, there's the new building in there, that white and grey thing. Oh, look at that. Wow. That is epic. It's a massive, massive place.